Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let's start. I request you to kindly watch this session till end so that you will be able to understand what this concept is. Students, in our previous session, we have learned what are the improper fractions and mixed fractions. We know improper fractions have numerator greater than the denominator. Means, for example, 37 by 6. Here numerator is greater than the denominator. And mixed number means which have whole part and fractional part. 5 whole part is 5 and 1 by 2. This is mixed number and this is improper fraction. So let us start to learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed number. For example, this improper fraction is 37 by 6 and here we have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fractions. At that time we will divide this 37 by this 6. We can write this 37 divided by 6 in this way. This is also, we can write it in this way and in this way also. So 6 6 are 36 and 1 is remainder. So when we write the mixed fraction, at that time this quotient is whole part, means 37 divided by 6 is equal to, here quotient is whole part of mixed number and this remainder will appear over the denominator of this mixed fraction and we will write this denominator as it is. Means when we convert this improper fraction 37 divided by 6, it is equal to 6 whole part 6 and 1 by 6. This is the mixed number for this improper fraction. Let us convert these improper fractions into mixed numbers. Here 17 by 5 means if we do division, at that time 5 3s are 15 and 2 will remain. So mixed number for this improper fraction will be, how can we write this? Here 3 is whole part, quotient is whole part and remainder will appear here and denominator will remain as it is. So mixed number for this improper fraction will be 3 whole part 3, 2 by 5. Then we will solve this one. 93 divided by 27. If we do this division, at that time 27 3s are 81. Here remainder will be 2 and 1 12. So here we will write its mixed number for this improper fraction. It is 27. Here 3 is whole part and remainder is 12 and denominator we write it as it is. If you see here this 12 and 27, here we can reduce this fraction. We will see through the example. Here this fractional part 12 divided by 27. These both numbers are divisible by number 3. Means here we are reducing it to its lowest form. What is it? We will see. We will divide this 12 and 27 by the factor of these two numbers, by the common factor of these two numbers. It is 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. So it is 4 by 9. Means here we can write it as 4 by 9 also. 3, 4 by 9. Can you get this lowest form of given fraction? Here we will see its another example. Let us reduce this fraction into its lowest form or simplest form. Here we can't perform the real division. Here we will divide them with the help of divisibility rules. These both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 1 remain. 2 6s are 12. Then here 2 2s are 4 and 1 remain. 2 6s are 12. Again these both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 remain. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So its simplest form will be 13 by 18, and these both numbers are having common factor only 1. At that time we will stop dividing both the numbers and write its simplest form as it is. So the simplest form of 52 divided by 72 is 13 by 18. Now we will see how to convert mixed number into improper fraction. Suppose mixed number is whole number 5 and 1 by 7. At that time we will multiply these two numbers, denominator and whole number, and add it into this numerator. So means 7 5s are 35 and plus 1, it will be 36 by 7. This is the improper fraction for this mixed number. Let us see another example. Here again we will multiply these two numbers and add the product into this numerator. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38. This will be the improper fraction for this mixed number. Let us revise this session with this question. The question is that use the pictures to write improper fractions and then convert them into mixed number. First we have to write here improper fraction and then we will convert it into mixed number. First, in this figure circles are given and each circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Each circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So here denominator will be 4 and considered part are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So numerator will be 10. So improper fraction for this picture is 10 by 4, and when we convert it into mixed number, at that time we will divide this 10 by 4. So here 4 2s are 8, means whole part is 2 and 2 will remain, and this denominator will appear as it is. And when we reduce this fractional part, at that time here we will get 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So mixed fraction for this picture will be whole part 2 and 1 by 2. Then in this picture each diagram is divided into 3 equal parts. So denominator will be, what is denominator? Here 3, and considered part 1 2 3 4 5 parts are considered. So 5 will be numerator, and when we convert this into mixed number, at that time here we will write denominator as it is. 3 ones are 3 and 2 will be remainder. So remainder we will write as above the denominator and whole part is quotient. So here mixed number for this improper fraction is whole part 1 2/3. So in this way we can solve such type of questions. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. If you are watching our channel first time, kindly subscribe our channel, share these videos with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.